I am studying 7th in Mathematics Higher Secondary School. I am today tell about states and nicknames. Tamil Nadu, gateway of South India. Punjab, the land of 5 rivers. Goa, pearl of Orient. Andhra Pradesh, rice bowl of India. Arunachal Pradesh, land of sunrise. New Delhi, city of rallies. Kerala, God's own country. Maharashtra, gateway of India. Mizoram, Peninsula State. Nagaland, land of sunrise. Karnataka, Silicon Valley of India. Manipur, the jewel of India. Uttarakhand, Devabhoomi. Assam, tea garden of India. West Bengal, hub of all cultural traits. Rajasthan, city of palaces. Bihar, silk city of India. Chhattisgarh, triple heart of India. Gujarat, jewel of Western India. Odisha, soul of India. Meghalaya, Scotland of East. Sikkim, valley of rice. Telangana, capital of biryani. Jharkhand, mineral state of India. Haryana, milk pail of India. Tripura, hill tipara. Madhya Pradesh, soya region. Uttar Pradesh, ancient city in India. Jammu and Kashmir, Switzerland of India. Thank you to all.